For the first time ever, the French Army publicly unveiled its DT46 artillery reconnaissance drone during the Bastille Day military parade on the Champs-Élysées, marking a clear move toward modernizing its forces. This tactical drone appeared alongside the 68th African Artillery Regiment, 68 ERAA, a formation within the 7th Armored Brigade known for its heritage as a successor to North African artillery units. Stationed in La Valbonne and originally founded in Tlemcen in 1941, the regiment has taken part in numerous campaigns, from the Allied landings in Provence during World War II to recent missions in Mali and Afghanistan. With the DT46 now part of its arsenal, the unit continues to evolve under the French Army's sweeping Scorpion modernization program. The DT46 introduces new reconnaissance capabilities tailored to the needs of artillery forces. Developed primarily for imagery intelligence, IMINT, operations, the system enables targeting beyond the immediate battlefield and strengthens the effectiveness of joint force engagements. One of its key roles is in counter-battery fire, where it can detect and pinpoint hostile artillery emplacements, offering French units a decisive edge. Compact yet powerful, the drone weighs 28 kilograms and features hybrid flight capabilities, able to switch between fixed-wing mode for long endurance and VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing, mode for tight launch zones. With a wingspan of 4.7 meters and a body length of 2 meters, the DT46 maintains a low-noise profile, making it difficult to detect beyond 200 meters. Its 5-kilogram payload bay accommodates various sensor packages for surveillance and targeting tasks. The drone has an effective range of up to 80 kilometers and can stay airborne for more than 5 hours in fixed-wing mode or 3 hours when using vertical flight. Integrated into the French Army's battlefield network through the Atlas Command and Control System, built around NATO's STANAG 4609 standards, the DT46 streams real-time video and targeting data directly to compatible ground units. The drone's handover feature allows it to seamlessly transfer missions between platforms without interruption, a capability particularly important in sustained operations. Its VTOL mode, requiring just a 10-meter radius for vertical lift, is ideal for deployment in urban or rugged environments where conventional launch setups are impossible. Beyond its technical merits, the DT46 represents a strategic response to emerging threats. Recent warfare in Ukraine and Nagorno-Karabakh has underlined how essential drones have become, not just for collecting intelligence but also for shaping the course of engagements. The 68 ERAA is now at the forefront of integrating such technologies into France's artillery doctrine. Alongside its new drones, the regiment fields Caesar self-propelled howitzers, Griffin mortar vehicles, and short-range air defense systems like the Mistral missile, creating a versatile and layered combat capability. The drone's public appearance during the national parade signals a notable departure from past practices. While larger medium-altitude long-endurance, MALE, drones like the Reaper remain largely absent from ceremonial displays, the DT46 inclusion points to a renewed focus on tactical-level battlefield tools that offer immediate operational relevance. Its debut reflects the broader transformation of the French military toward a more agile, networked force ready to contend with evolving forms of conflict, where dominance over low-altitude airspace and rapid information flow are critical to survival and success.